Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, honor Mlu's will. While a mother is expressing her need to mourn for her child, a wife insists her husband is still alive. Mazungu fights Nobonga's battles and Nobuntu chooses her path in life on Tuesday, PS next time. While Mazungu solidifies her daughter's stay at home by making sure the Mtembus continue their providence for her, the Gumedas find out that once again their daughter has taken another wrong turn. On Wednesday, return the Ankh. Mamzobe and Difa are devastated after finding a goodbye letter. Mapalala and Nobonga are embarrassed after Mazungu demands a stake from the Mtembus. On Thursday, the new battlefield for worship. Ndlovu wants the throne, dark or blue, but plays the smallest card up his sleeve, one that nobody saw coming. Spha welcomes a long-lost member, and Gabi and Lwazi are skating on thin ice. On Friday, he who sits on the throne, Ndlovu outsmarts Mamzobe and Nomkhosi. Church ink brings undesirable emotions, and Gabi's secret is itching to come out. Thank you for watching.